Thank you, Carrie. The airbag maker involved in that massive recall faces a grilling on Capitol Hill tomorrow. And CBS 4's Oralia Ortega spoke to a South Florida woman suing the company and still struggling months after her injuries. Oralia.
Rick, this is a car that woman was driving, a 2001 Honda Civic, and you can take a look inside at what her airbag looks like after she says it deployed and sent shrapnel flying right at her face. With more cases like this one coming to light, the U.S. government has stepped in and is pushing the maker of this very airbag to expand its recall to prevent any more tragedies and injuries like the one this woman suffered. A Japanese-based auto parts maker about to be in the hot seat in the nation's capital as they face a Senate panel and pressure from a federal agency to recall millions of airbags across the U.S. The airbags can explode and cause metal fragments to hit drivers and passengers.
If the companies plead the fifth and refuse to answer questions, this can go down a path of a criminal investigation where the outcome could be some of the executives going to prison and the company paying significant fines.
South Florida attorney Jason Turchin represents several clients who've been injured by shrapnel from exploding Takata airbags, Clarabelle Nunez being one of them. 4 months ago, she crashed her 2001 Honda Civic, and she says this piece of metal shot out of her airbag, leading to a painful cut on her forehead that required 12 stitches. She's still suffering to this day.
Vision, pain in my ears. My eyes bother me, and I've had problems with my sinuses.
What began as a small batch of recalls reached more than 11 million by this summer and now could more than double in size. Takata insists current recalls issued only in high humidity areas where they believe the airbags are more likely to rupture are enough.
This can become a national epidemic or in fact a worldwide epidemic because if the vehicles have issues outside of a humid-only zone, then this can affect everybody.
Clarabelle hopes Takata takes action before someone else ends up like she did, or even worse.
I would like for them to change the bags because this problem will continue if they don't do something. There could be more victims.
And back out here live, tomorrow's Senate hearing is being led by Florida Senator Bill Nelson, who's consulted with the attorney you just heard from for background in the case. Representatives from Takata, Chrysler, and Honda are expected to testify tomorrow, along with another Florida woman who was also injured by an exploding airbag. We will, of course, keep you posted. Reporting live from Miami Gardens.